Here I've got ALCATEL 1X, and let me show you how to set up date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open System, and then click on date and time. And here you can either have an automatic date and time, or you can smoothly switch it off by tapping on automatic and then switch it off by tapping on off, and then you can set the date and time manually by yourself, so it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can also change the time zone, so let me switch off automatic time zone, and now you can select one from the options here. As you can see, we've got thousands of possible time zones, so let me choose, for example, Melbourne. And finally you can also change the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock, or you can turn it off and have 12-hour format clock. And that would be basically all, but there's also one more function, so you can change the date format, click here and then pick whichever you would like to apply. So this is it. Then whenever you want to go back to automatic setup, just tap on those switchers and here select either network or GPS provided time. I will stay with network time. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can change the date and time in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.